Okay, I will show you how to make a first person's animations in GODOT. In your player scene, make a new 3D node and call it Tools Manager, so we can have all our tools in one place. I have a placeholder of my pick and of my hammer, and add animation player to that same 3D node. Click on your animation player and make a new animation. We will have an animation for hammer start and maybe for hammer walking when player is walking. Now choose your animation hammer start, and this is the start position of our hammer, somewhere in the player. Now on the right side you see these little keys. When you click on them you can make a keyframe. Keyframe for position of the hammer, rotation, scale, visibility and so on. What we want at beginning for this hammer? We want visibility to be turned off. So turn it off and hit this key. And now hammer is invisible. And we will take his position and rotation. Now we want to make this hammer to come here to the player camera. Visibility will be on. Take position and rotation. If you want to have this split view, this is camera of player and this is 3D scene. You click here and choose two viewports, and when you click here on preview camera, take your time with animations. Remember, animations are big branch of art and they are very difficult. So keep it very simple. Maybe 1 or 2 keyframes. It's better to have a 1 or 2 keyframes or 10 or 20. Here you can make your animations how long with it play. Here you can make it loop. So as you can see, very simple animations with only 3 keyframes. Don't complicate it. Take your time and make your own animations. Now I will make the same for my pick. Make a new animation. As you can see, making animation in GODOT in first person is very simple, but implement it in the game is very difficult. So if you don't know the basics of programming, you need to learn that, because you need to make a tools manager script. When you have a 10, 20, 50 items, it will be difficult for you to manage. In next video maybe I will show you how to make a tools manager script. If you want to have a 1 or 2 items, you can maybe go around it, and when you hit 1 on your keyboard, item players animation player hammer start on peak start. But if you don't know the basics of programming, you cannot go further. Learn that first. What are lists, arrays, dictionaries, and everything else.